Hey everyone, so I'm going to dub this video again because unfortunately the GoPro is not working. It's not picking up any audio, but the video quality is still good. By the way, I'm going to do a room tour or apartment tour of our accommodation here in Sao Paulo, Brazil. So yeah, this apartment is actually located in the center, if I am not mistaken. So it's like a loft style apartment, and everything that you need for the kitchen is actually here in the apartment. So it's fully equipped for your cooking needs or for something like that. And this is actually the first time that I saw a dishwasher because, growing up in the Philippines, we just use our hands to wash the dishes. But this one is really cool. So, my boyfriend explained this to me, like how this works or whatever, but we never really tried it because, I still prefer washing the dishes with my hands. So they have electric stove here and the washing machine, which is I really like because it's kind of expensive to go out and do your laundry in a laundry shop or something. And they also have oven, which is good because sometimes I just like to buy frozen goods and just bake it there. And that's the living area. So that's why I told you it's kind of like a loft style because there's no door for the bedroom. Like everything is just in one place. So yeah, so there's the living room and also the dining area, but usually it's gonna be my working space or our working space. So yeah, I like this apartment and I also like the lighting here. It's just so amazing. It's very unique. It's not the usual lighting that you would see on your B&B accommodation. So yeah, so there's the living room that I'm talking about. It's just a sofa and then television, and then here's the bedroom right away. So as you can see, there's really no door. So it's just like a loft style apartment. The bed is actually comfy, like it's pretty big enough for the two of us. And here's the bathroom, and it's so cute as well. I like it. It's just simple. Um, yeah, hot and cold shower, which is amazing as well. But you know what? In the past, I'm not really into hot shower, but now it's really amazing, especially if it's like a long hot shower. It's really relaxing. So yeah, they have the door for that, and then you can just slide it, and then there's some closet on the side of this door as well, which is cool. And you know what? This apartment is really cool because they have this remote controlled curtain. So, it's so funny because, I enjoyed it a lot because, I mean, in the most of the house in the Philippines is just really simple. But this one is really cool, so I like it. It's so amazing doing that. So this is the balcony area, and it's really cool. It's small, but it's enough, for you to relax and enjoy the view, and also work if you wanted, to get some fresh air while working. And yeah, I feel like this neighborhood is really safe and peaceful. And this one, you can use that to hang your clothes. And yeah, I really like this accommodation that we have in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and it's really amazing. It's so beautiful, I must say. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you do like it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I'm also gonna put the link below for the B&B. And yeah, don't forget to follow my social media. I put it on the link tree below. And also, yeah, have a lovely day and stay golden. Bye.